Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful Rakhi using an easy method. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need about 2 feet of silk thread, some colorful beads, and a small decorative centerpiece like a kundan or a charm. Don't forget your scissors, fabric glue, and a needle. Selecting vibrant colors and unique embellishments will truly make your Rakhi special and reflect your personal touch. Now, let's create the foundation for your Rakhi. Take 2 strands of silk thread, each measuring approximately 12 inches in length. You can choose to braid these threads together for a classic look, or simply twist them tightly to form a strong, elegant base. Once you've achieved your desired thickness and pattern, secure both ends with a small, firm knot. This step ensures your Rakhi remains durable and beautiful. This is where your Rakhi truly comes to life. Carefully apply a small amount of fabric glue to the back of your decorative centerpiece and firmly attach it to the middle of your braided thread base. Next, thread colorful beads or small pearls onto the silk strands on either side of the center. For an extra touch of sparkle, you can add sequins or a sprinkle of glitter, making sure everything is securely glued in place. Almost done. To complete your beautiful Rakhi, create a small, secure loop at each end of the thread. This will make it easy to tie around your brother's wrist. Carefully trim any excess thread, leaving about 1 inch beyond the knots for a neat finish. Finally, and this is important, allow all the glue to dry completely for at least 30 minutes. This ensures your handmade Rakhi is perfect and ready for the celebration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.